Hello, in front of me I've got PS5, and in this video I'll tell you the answer to question: how many games will there be on PSVR2? So, for now, when the PSVR2 was let on the market around a few days ago, there were announcements that the developers are planning to create about 40 games for PSVR2. So right now we can play the Resident Evil Village and Gran Turismo 7 on PSVR2, as well as fresh titles that have been created solely with the virtual reality in mind, such as Horizon Call of the Mountain. Right now there are not many games that we can play on PSVR2, but the more and more are coming, so be patient and prepare your goggles for the gameplay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.